Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install MySQL Workbench. So let's take a look at its official site. Here you can see it allows you to work on MySQL database, offers you dashboard, admin tools, and design and development tools. So we are going to install this through Snapcraft. Okay, so before that, let's open terminal, clear this, and here first thing we do is sudo apt update, right? Once you do that, you can also take a look at sudo apt install MySQL-server. So make sure that you have MySQL installed. Next thing is checking sudo systemctl status and then MySQL. It should show you something if it is installed on your system. So here you see the SQL Server community server is operational, so we'll come out of this, clear, and now we will move our attention to the workbench. So we will search for snap, which is MySQL Workbench. Right, there is also a method to do this through your typical Debian file, but we will take a look at this snap method, so to make things easier. Now here you can choose the version between the two, so let's go with stable, and here is the command for installing that particular snap, right? So sudo snap install MySQL-workbench-community. Now let's minimize this, open terminal, paste this, use tab to go to the end of line, then hit enter. Now it will search through the snap repository and download the setup, right? So once the setup is finished, we have multiple ways to access it, like typing workbench within terminal or searching through our show applications option that Genome offers us. So let it finish the installation. Okay, now here you see snap is in process to be installed. Now here you see we have snap installed, so let me clear this. Now let's minimize this and check within show application if that snap exists. So simply use mouse to scroll, and here you see MySQL Workbench. Click on that and it should open the workbench window, which allows us to connect to MySQL server and also allows us to connect to local instance, right? If you see this, that means you managed to install MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu.